Hello, welcome to Gladly Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we're talking about how to create second account on Rednote app. So the first thing you have to do is to log into your Rednote app and log into your current account. The next thing is to click on the Me icon found at the bottom of the screen. Click on the three lines found at the top left corner of your screen. Click on Settings option. Click on Switch. So you just have to click on Add Account. Click on Google. So it says agree and continue. You just have to agree to the terms of service, and the next thing you have to do is to select the particular account you want to use and create the second account. So it says please log out of the current account and register a new account. So no related account, you just have to log out from your current account before you're able to create a new account. So you just click on I know. So in order to achieve this, you must log out from your present account in order to create a new account. So logging out, you just have to click on the Google, click on agree and continue. Still click on your Gmail account. So you can see I was able to switch to Zamaka, to my second account now, because I have logged out from my first account. So guys, I hope it was helpful. If it was, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.